Woodworking business advice for those seeking a career change. A woodworking business can be an excellent creative outlet, and a viable way for anyone with drive to dramatically change their career paths, and their lives, as a result. Just don't let fear get in the way. Here is the kind of woodworking business advice I would give to anyone who is considering starting a sustainable shop of their own. 1. Age is irrelevant when starting in business. The main thing is to just get started and stick with it. As you get older, you may be a little less mobile and flexible than say someone in their 20s. So you may have to take that into account when you decide on what type of woodworking business you start. For example, at 40 or 50 and beyond, you may not want to be moving 4x8, or larger, sheets of 3/4-inch veneer board to a table saw, all day long. So a custom cabinet shop might not be the best option. But there are plenty of other woodworking businesses you could launch that are less taxing on the body. Crafts, wood turning, and creating one-of-a-kind pieces of furniture for a select market, are some of the ideas that come to mind. 2. Hire wisely, if at all. You have the option of hiring others to do the more physical shop work, as you focus more on the brain work of running a successful woodworking shop. If you're going to hire help, do so strategically, in a way that benefits the business. But you can also thrive by going it alone. 3. You have the added advantage of life experience. Some people worry as they get older that making a career change and launching their own business would be too difficult. They believe they somehow missed the boat, or are past their prime. Still others fear that potential customers will think they are too old, and therefore not someone to do business with. But I'm here to tell you, none of that is true. Nobody cares how old you are. Fact is, many people are working longer, and the highest rate of business startups these days goes to the 50-plus crowd. Starting a woodworking business of your own may be completely different from anything you may have done career-wise. But, so what? Forget the notion that you're starting from scratch, because you're really not. You're bringing with you a lifetime of experience, whatever your age. 4. Think from a business perspective. There's a world of difference between earning a paycheck as an employee and making money and thriving as a business owner. The best thing you can do is to brush up on your business education and operate, from day one, with a business mindset. That means not just focusing on building cool things from wood, but understanding who your market is, and what they want that you can supply. To have a sustainable business you need to be profitable. So you'll need to account for every expense, large and small, and price your goods to earn a profit. 5. Make things happen every day by being action-oriented. Don't sit around waiting for things to happen for you. Get busy making your business work. Develop what business author Brian Tracy calls a bias for action. It may be scary changing careers and transitioning to business ownership when you sit around thinking and worrying about it all day long. But when you're busy every day making progress with small steps, you're setting yourself up for success. Is it easy? Of course not. If it was easy, everyone would throw their hat into the ring. Everyone who wanted to would own a successful business where they get to call the shots and take control of their lives. When you get stuck, ask yourself, what tangible action steps should I take right now that will move my business ahead? Take enough of those small steps forward toward growth and you increase the odds of success for your woodworking enterprise, far beyond the average. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing. For your next best action step, click the link below in the description.